Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to head out for the day. I wanted to quickly show you my outfit. I'm feeling all the fall vibes today in my boots. It is the first time I'm wearing boots this season. It is actually the 1st of September today, so I feel like it's quite fitting. And these are my Chanel boots. I absolutely love these. I got them in, I think it was 2018, so a few years ago, but I feel like they still look so good. These jeans are from Mango. This jacket is actually Moe's. It is from Zara. This little rib top is also from Zara, and then my necklaces and earrings are from Missoma. This one you guys have seen before. It's one that I wear pretty much every single day. It's a classic chain necklace. Really love it. And then this one is actually new. It's a really beautiful kind of twisted rope style necklace. I cannot remember the name of it, but I will make sure to have it linked for you guys down below. And then I paired that with my beige Chanel handbag. I also got this new necklace from Missoma. This is a golden Roman coin necklace. It is so pretty, and I think this would look so nice layered with some chunkier chain necklaces like this. I love how that adds like a nice texture to this stack of necklaces. I also got 2 new pairs of golden hoop earrings. You guys know that these ones, these little chunky gold hoops, they're pretty much my go-to everyday earring. I love them so much. They're very comfortable, they're not too heavy, and they're also 18 karat gold plated all around, so even the part that goes into your ear, which is of course amazing, especially if you have sensitive ears. But then just to switch it up a little, I thought these were so pretty as well. I love this kind of ridged design. Little earrings like this are perfect for like every day, especially if you like to do a lot of necklaces. But for certain outfits and for evenings out, I think it's nice to have a little bit more going on the ears, and then you could wear a more simple necklace or like a more minimal stack and have the earrings be more of the statement. So that is what these look like. Very, very pretty as well. These are also 18 karat gold plated, so the quality is really, really good as well. I also got these ones, which are really fun. These are on the bigger side compared to my smaller hoops, but I think they almost weigh less than my little hoops, or just as much as my little hoops. But judging from the size, you would think that they weigh a bit more, but they're actually very lightweight and very comfortable to wear. So I think something like this, you could even wear it all day. And yeah, just fun to have something a little different to switch up your look. All of these pieces are from their Core Icons collection, which has so many beautiful designs, really classic, elegant, timeless pieces that also have an element of trend to them in terms of like staying really on top of what is modern and in fashion. You guys know Missoma are my go-to jewelry brand. I've been buying with them for so many years. Their chain necklaces and T-bar necklaces are some of my favorites, so the ones that have this beautiful big clasp. I also have the flat chain one. I think it's called the chunky chain T-bar necklace, and this is the twisted chain T-bar necklace. I wear these so often. You guys have seen them in so many of my videos. And again, they're chain necklaces like this snake chain one, and this is, I believe, the round curved chain necklace. Such great classics to have in your wardrobe for styling. I wear them day and night. They really just make the most incredible jewelry that is high quality, well priced, and they're just great investment pieces that you can keep for many, many years. So I absolutely love them. So I wanted to share a few of my favorites with you because they're currently doing a 15% off sale, and they rarely do promotions. So if you've been thinking about getting any of these items, then this is the perfect time. All you have to do is click the link down below, and that will take you to the site, and you will get 15% off everything. So all of the items that I showed you today. So yeah, it's very exciting. Again, they rarely do promotions. So if you've been thinking of getting maybe the earrings or any of the chain necklaces, you can now get them with 15% off. I will make sure to have everything linked and listed for you guys down below. I am now going to head out and meet my friend for lunch. It is such a beautiful day today. The sun is shining. We haven't seen the sunshine in, I think, almost a week. So yeah, it's definitely putting me in a very good mood today. It is still a little bit cold though, so I can't, like, you know, not be properly dressed. So I think I'll be fine like this. I need my handbag and I am good to go. So I think we're gonna go for a little walk and enjoy the sunshine. It's seriously such a nice day today, you guys. I think because it's been raining for the last few days, when the sun came out this morning, it totally lifted my mood, and I'm such a sun person, so I need that. I try to not let it affect me so much, because if I was affected by the rain every single time, like, I would not be in a very good mental state, because it does rain quite a bit here. So I do try to practice like extra self-care and just really like talk to myself and have that good kind of mental relationship with myself when the weather is bad, so that I don't like get too sad. But when the sun does come out, it really does make me very, very happy. Anyway, so I think we're going to walk around a bit and then get some lunch and go back to her place. This is my friend with a new baby, so usually when we meet, we stay around the area in case she needs to go back to her place. She also told me she made a really yummy pumpkin soup, so we will probably have that as well. Another very fall thing. So yeah, I'm going to go meet her, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Balancing you on the edge of my couch, so hopefully this works. But good morning, you guys. It is actually 2 days after we last spoke. Yesterday I actually started my time of the month, and the first day all I want to do is just take it super easy. I just want to cozy up in bed and just do very like relaxing activities. It's crazy how the body just can switch so quickly, and I think it really does know best when I don't listen to that, and if I like keep going at 150%, the pain and the amount of time that my body needs to completely recover is so much longer than if I actually just listen to it and take some time, lay in bed for a few hours and just like work a little bit, but just, you know, very relaxed, to just give my body that time that it needs. And then I start feeling better a lot quicker. On this topic, I think what women go through every month and with all of our phases and our cycles, it's just so incredible, and we are hormonally so different throughout the 4 phases of our cycle. I actually did a whole video on this back in the spring where I go more into detail on how you can optimize and learn how to treat your body really well, specifically for each phase of the cycle. I will make sure to have that video linked down below if you guys haven't seen it already. Anyway, it is the 2nd day of my cycle today, so I'm feeling a lot better. I have more energy and my cramps are not as bad. So I am actually about to head out and do some errands. My nail broke yesterday, and normally I would do my nails in a few days. It's currently Friday. I would normally do them on Monday. Unfortunately, my nail broke and the whole nail polish like chipped off, so I was able to get an appointment a little bit earlier, so I'm gonna fix that. I'm just gonna redo all my nails. I do really like this color though. It's a nice like neutral soft kind of pink, like very, very natural, and has a beautiful gloss to it. So I think I'm gonna do this color again. I really have enjoyed it. I then have a few errands to run, some packages to return, and some groceries I need to get for our dinner tonight. And the weather is still really, really nice, so I'm probably gonna walk and then we'll catch up a little bit later. I'll show you guys what I make for dinner. I'm also going to be meal prepping a little bit. Alright guys, I am back home. Nails are done. I love how they turned out, just nice and neutral. So now I'm about to meal prep a few different things that I would show you guys what I'm going to be doing. I've just peeled some sweet potato and carrots. These I'm going to be cutting up into kind of like cubes, tossing them with some olive oil, maybe some white onion as well, and then putting them into the air fryer. That's going to make them nice and crispy. And then I've got some broccoli here, some green beans. These are going to be steamed on the stovetop. I have to add a little bit more water in there. We love having these on the side of basically anything. Such a great way to get in some greens. I'm also going to be steaming the broccoli, but I have to do this one first, transfer this to a Tupperware, then I'll do the broccoli. And then over here, I'm going to be making some turkey meatballs. Got some ground turkey, some spices, basil, garlic, 1 egg, some almond flour, tamari sauce, and olive oil. And then I will also be putting in some onion into the meatballs as well. And then over here, I'm going to be prepping some protein balls. I have to get my chocolate protein powder as well. For that, I need some oats, almond butter, vanilla, cinnamon, dates, and then optional to add in are coconut flakes, hemp seeds, and then this is some ground flax seed. I do have an entire video dedicated to this recipe, which I will share down below if you guys want more kind of like step by step on how I do this. But I will show you like a quick summarized version today, but I will have that video linked for you guys down below if you want to check it out. I might also do some chia puddings as well, just to have in the fridge, and maybe either some granola or some cookies as well. We'll see. But yeah, I love to do this when I have a little bit more time, just to have like really good healthy options in the fridge. Just easy things to grab either as a snack or to put on the side of a meal, you know, especially veggies and things that you can easily steam and then keep in some Tupperware. And then to reheat them, you could either throw them on the pan or into the oven or to the air fryer, and it just makes getting a meal ready so much quicker and very easy, especially for very busy days. Of course, I'll make sure to have all of the recipes for you guys in the description box if you want to recreate anything. All of the information will be down below. So starting with the veggies, I am first steaming up the green beans in this very convenient steamer basket, and once those are done, I'll come back and do the broccoli. Usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. And then I'm slicing up some white onion for the turkey meatballs and just placing that in a little bowl for later. And I'll also be adding in some white onion to the sweet potato and carrots, so I'm already putting that into my larger bowl. And then slicing up the carrots and sweet potato, I try to make them about the same size, so approximately these medium-sized cubes like this, so that everything cooks evenly. I am also chopping up some fresh basil for the turkey meatballs. You can use any herb you like. Basil is really nice, but parsley is also great. You could even do cilantro. And then I'm just topping the carrots and sweet potato and onion with some fresh olive oil, some salt and pepper as well, and then I'm just shaking that up so everything gets coated evenly. And then I'm placing this into another bowl and off to the side. I'm gonna pop these into the air fryer just before dinner. And at this point, the green beans were done, so I'm just placing those in a glass Tupperware on the side, and then next steaming up the broccoli. And we did have these for dinner, but they do also make such great leftovers as well. Just reheat it on a pan with some olive oil. It just takes a couple of minutes, and it's so delicious, and you've got your greens ready to go. Next, moving on to the turkey meatballs, I'm adding in the chopped onion, some tomato paste, fresh garlic, the basil I chopped up earlier. Again, I'll make sure to have all of the ingredients listed for you guys down below in the description box. And then I'm just mixing all of that together and forming these little golf-sized balls and placing them on a baking sheet with some parchment paper. And then these will go into the oven for about 20 minutes, super easy. And then on to the protein Bliss balls. I love these so much. They're such a great little afternoon snack or dessert, and you can really play around with the ingredients and what you have in your kitchen. And today I made these chocolate flavored using some chocolate protein powder and cacao powder. Again, I'll make sure to have the recipe down below. But first, I'm just adding in all of the dry ingredients to my food processor. and then just mixing all of that together so that you get a finer kind of flour, but not a full flour. So it should look something like this. After that, I'm adding in some dates and 2 tablespoons of almond butter. And a little bit of water as well, just to make sure that everything blends really nicely together and that you have the right consistency. And then blending that up again. I definitely recommend tasting it to make sure it's good, and also to check the consistency, because you want to make sure that it's not too dry so that you can form these balls really easily. And then again, just rolling them into these golf-sized balls, placing them in a Tupperware. These are so delicious. They keep really well in the fridge, although they don't really last very long. But you can make bigger portions of these and keep them in your fridge for about a week. And then lastly, I just popped the sweet potato and carrot mix into the air fryer. I do have a limited space, so I do 2 rounds of this. And then that was dinner. So delicious. I love that I have so many leftovers as well. I put half of the meatballs in the fridge and then I froze the other half for next week. And then I love that we have all of the greens too that I'll be having over the next few days. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found some good inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.